Hashtag mikemerone back again, part 2. Here we go. Here's how it looked. I took some toilet paper and some cork, and now I filled in the hole. As you can see, I'm fixing that little spot right there. And that's what I did. Silicone and toilet paper, or chalk, this stuff. Fix for under $5. And I'm going to redo the next, then when this dries, I do it again, and again, and again, and again. But I'm probably just going to just continue. But it looks okay just like this now. I don't really have to do anything else right now. No one will know the difference right here. See? It's right in there, nice. Right against the wall. Gotta take this stuff off over here. So that's what it looks like so far. See it? Under $5 to fix this. It takes a day, but it's under $5. Alright, hashtag mikemerone. This is how it looks, part 2 of fixing a crack in the side of the wall. I just put a little silicone in that hole there. Okay. Be back with part 3 soon. Hashtag mikemerone. Subscribe, share, and like. And hit that